In a world where cars are becoming computers, and computers are becoming everything, there comes a machine that doesn't fit into a category, doesn't fit into a segment, doesn't fit into the old rules we used to judge cars by. This is the Afeela 1, a car not built by a car company, but by a partnership between Honda and Sony. Yes, Sony, the people who gave you the PlayStation, noise-canceling headphones, and half the movies you've cried to at 2 a.m. You look at the Afeela 1 and immediately feel it. This thing wasn't designed with the usual automotive playbook. It looks like someone asked, what would a car look like if we reset every assumption and started from zero? Smooth, seamless, borderline alien. There are no sharp edges, no unnecessary lines. The entire car looks like it's been polished by time itself. You walk around it and feel like you're staring at an object from the future. One that accidentally slipped into our timeline. The front is a single continuous surface, guarded by a slim LED band that runs edge to edge like a digital eyebrow. It doesn't glare at you. It studies you. It feels like the car is aware, and that's because it kind of is. Sony didn't just give this car sensors. They gave it awareness, cameras, radar, lidar, dozens of points of perception. The Afeela 1 doesn't just see the road. It understands it. And when you touch the door and it opens with a silent, precise motion, you know you're stepping into something more than transportation. Inside, the cabin feels like a luxury lounge mixed with a spaceship command center. Screens stretch across the dashboard like a panoramic cinema. Not gaudy, not overwhelming, refined, soft, beautiful. You sink into the seats and they hold you like memory foam engineered by people who understand comfort on a molecular level. There's no clutter, no mess of buttons. Everything is calm, minimal, intentional. This is serenity disguised as technology. Start it up, and the Afeela 1 comes alive with ambient sound Sony engineered specifically for this car. A sonic heartbeat built from the minds that mastered audio for decades. It doesn't roar, it doesn't rumble, it sings softly to you, like a whisper of electricity. Then you drive it. Instant torque. Yes, because it's an EV. Smooth power delivery, because Honda knows how to tune dynamics better than most. But the experience, that's where things get surreal. The Afeela 1 doesn't feel like you're driving a machine. It feels like you're gliding inside a simulator. Except this one is real. On real roads, responding to your every move with supernatural calm. No drama, no hesitation, just flow. It corners like it's floating on a magnetic track. It absorbs bumps like the asphalt is being digitally edited beneath you. The steering isn't aggressive. It's precise, intentional, confident. You're not fighting the car. You're not commanding the car. You're collaborating with it. And the tech. The tech is where the Afeela 1 becomes something no other car is. Sony didn't just give it screens. They gave it interaction, motion tracking, voice recognition with emotional nuance. An interface that learns you, understands you, adapts to you. Your music sounds richer. Your movies feel cinematic. Your navigation looks like augmented reality from a sci-fi film. The car doesn't feel like a machine. It feels like an extension of your senses. Even the exterior, media bar, that LED strip on the front, can communicate. It can show patterns, symbols, warnings. It can greet you when you walk up. It can express itself. This isn't personalization. This is personality. Range, strong, charging, fast, safety, ridiculously overengineered. The entire car is a fortress disguised as art. Every sensor, every camera, every system works together like a digital nervous system that never sleeps. But here's the thing. The Afeela 1 isn't trying to be a sports car. It's not trying to be a luxury limo. It's not trying to be a tech demo. It's something more abstract. A vision, a statement, a proof of concept for what cars can become when two industries, automotive and entertainment, merge minds. The Afeela 1 is calm, intelligent, and beautifully modern. Not aggressive, not loud, not trying to flex. It feels like the first car designed purely for the next era. An era where software matters as much as horsepower. Where entertainment is as important as engineering. Where the cabin isn't just a place to sit, but a digital sanctuary. You don't drive the Afeela 1 because you want noise, drama, or mechanical violence. You drive it because you want peace, precision, and a future that actually feels exciting. You look at it and realize something. Honda brought the engineering. Sony brought the soul. Together, they created something quietly revolutionary. And when you step out, close the door, and watch that LED strip pulse softly like a heartbeat in the dark, you don't feel like you just drove a car. You feel like you just test drove the future.